Alright guys, I got this brass padlock here. It's called our herculock USA 800. It's a pretty cool lock, real heavy, a lot of brass. It's not a real big lock, but it's pretty cool. Here's the keyway. And I'm going to pick it for you guys using this tension wrench here. And this pick here I got from lockpicktools.com. This is the small offset half diamond. And I'll start here by putting the tension wrench at the bottom of the keyway. Let's see if I can't get you guys a better view. Alright. So padlock is locked. This method I'm using is called single pin picking. I've been messing with this lock for a couple hours now, so I got the binding order down. There it is. Just turned over. That's as far as the cylinder turns. There it is. Pretty good stuff.